Hello, good morning to all. Welcome to science class. So far, we discussed about the three types of joints. That is a pivotal joint, ball and socket joint, and also hinge joints. Next, we are going to discuss about fixed joints. In our body, we can see some of the joints. The joints are fixed. That means the bones in these joints they are not able to move. Can you say what are the examples for this? Just observe the movement of your lips, lower lip, this lower jaw and also upper jaw. Note the lips, the lower jaw and upper jaw. We can see that the lower jaw is only able to move. The upper jaw is fixed there over the skull. Okay, the upper jaw is fixed over the skull, whereas the lower jaw is able to move, which enable us to eat, to drink, and also to talk. Okay. And also we can see in our skull, a number of joints are there in our skull. All the skull bones, all the skull joints are not able to move. These are the examples for fixed joints. So these joints, along the joints and also this bones, give one shape or give one framework to our body. This framework of our body is called a skeleton. So there is a skeleton in our lab, school lab. Just after the reopening of the school, we can see and we can observe the different parts of our human skeleton. Observe figure 8.7, that is a human skeleton. We can see a number of bones are there, a number of joints are there, a number of variously shaped bones are also there. Otherwise, you can look in the X-ray images of different body parts if it is available. That is usually at the time of fractures and other kind of bone disorders, damages, we will get the X-ray. This X-ray very clearly shows the design of the skeleton of our hands, palm, legs, etc. Just feel the bones in your forearm. Forearm means the palm. You can see a number of small pieces of bones are there, and all these bones are arranged with a number of joints. A number of joints are there, like that a number of bone pieces are also there. That is why it is highly flexible. We can bend our fingers, we can lift our fingers, we can rotate our fingers. That is because of the joints and also the small pieces of bones present in our palm. So the small bones present in our palm, that is usually called carpals. Carpals, or we can say the bones in our fingers, that is usually known as the carpals. Another figure you can see, that is a figure 8.10. That is a rib cage. Okay, at the time of strong breath, if the body is not so fat, we can see during strong breath, when we are looking the chest part of our body, the rib cage or the ribs are very clear. So how the rib cage is formed? The rib cage is formed by the fusion of ribs with the chest bone and also backbone. How many ribs are there? There are 12 ribs at each side of our chest. The rib cage protects the important vital organ of our body. Two vital organs of our body that is protected by the rib cage. What are they? The lungs and also heart. Then another bone framework that we can see in figure 8.11. That is the backbone. Okay. Just touch or feel your backbone, your own backbone. You can feel, we can see it is a continuous structure starting from the neck and it is moving down. The backbone is not a single bone, it is also made up of a number of bone pieces. These bone pieces of backbone, that is called a vertebrae. All these vertebrae, they are connected by different joints. The backbone usually consists of 33 vertebrae. The rib cage is also joined to these bones. What is the condition if the backbone is a single one? So we are not able to move or bend our body. Lifting or bending of our body is not possible if it is a single bone. So to make the smooth functioning of our body, the backbone is made up of a number of small pieces of bones, and this backbone can also protect one of the important vital organ of our body, that is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected by this backbone. Okay, the remaining part that we'll discuss in the next class, inshallah. Thank you.